Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about the new brawlers who have come out and will be coming out all the time. The first of course is Damian. Bastion now brawlers with an interesting and Damian has a tank class and a mythical rarity. It also has 11 wanted 300 health and 100 damage. Sternova is a cosplayer who thinks she is an anime chapter named Sternova. Sometimes this leads to awkward situations. She secretly believes this problem in the real world can also be solved with a hook sword. It has a mythical rarity class murder of 400 and 1080 damage without super. Bolt is a toy for the fighting machines series that deals damage by crashing into opponents. Built for blade battle, Bolt has always wanted to become a racing car and accelerate to dangerous speeds to live his dream. Don't stand in his way. It has the mythical rarity 10 class and 1020 800 health and also 180 damage. I think I've told you everything. Bye bye.